2 years ago, I posted my first YouTube video on this channel reviewing the Nike by Use Air Force 1 lows. And today I'm going to be returning to the Nike app and we're going to do it all over again, this time showcasing you what it's like from start to finish. So as you can see, I'm on the Nike app right now, on the home screen, just trying to navigate to find the Nike by You section, and there it is. And as you can see, Nike has a bunch of different shoes that you can customize, and as you can see right here, there's actually two different Air Force 1 lows that you can customize. And I picked, man, I don't even know what the difference is. I know, like, depending on the ones you pick, there's different materials, colors, all of that you can use. But this one I selected, and let's just get right into it. So as you can see, it starts off as this like black, primarily black base, and there's a bunch of different parts of the shoe that you can change the material. Like as you can see right here, the materials are like this matte metallic, smooth leather, and tumbled leather. We're starting off at the vamp, which is like the toe box area, and for me, for this colorway of the shoe, I wanted to go with a much simple, like very simple and clean colorway. As you could probably tell in the thumbnail, a lot of people like to go crazy and wild with the colors, and which is really cool because there's a lot of options to choose from, so you can definitely go wild with it and really make it your own. But for me, I wanted to keep it simple, something that I could wear every day with anything pretty much, but still make it true to myself. So as you can see, we're gonna fast forward a little bit because this process takes some time, but right now I'm just going through each parts of the shoe. We're on the swoosh right now, picking out the materials, the colors, and yeah, as you can tell, the base layer of the shoe, I'm actually going with the sail color. I don't know if you can tell, sail's very, very close to white when you're looking at it this way, but I wanted the sail just instead of like the pure white color. And then kind of the overlays is in this, I think it was called pure platinum. I think it's a pure platinum color. So yeah, let's just keep fast forwarding on through. Looks like I'm at the back tab, and now we're at the laces. Also went with the sail laces. I was kind of thinking about doing a pure platinum lace color to kind of match the overlays, but I chose not to. This part I'm selecting the outsole, and yeah, man, it's all coming together right now. And at this part, I slowed it down just to show you that you can actually even add your own text to the back. I think the back heel area, yeah, right there. So I just wanted to, I just put test to kind of give you a sense of what it would look like. I was actually debating, should I put some text on here? The only thing is I didn't really know what to put, and I just, didn't want it to feel too cheesy or corny, so I kind of just left it off. And now I wanted to quickly show you my final product, I guess, of what I decided to go with. So as you can see, I went with some smooth leather on the overlays and the swoosh. The swoosh is done in sail, the overlays are done in platinum, and I went with tumbled leather on the toe box area and the quarter panel. I thought that this would make it have a good structure, material mix, all of that to go along with the clean colorway. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this color, and yeah, let's get right into the next part. Alright, so 18 days have passed and we have the shoes in hand now. I ordered these on August 22nd and they just came into my place here on September 8th. That's about 18 days, which is a lot sooner than expected because Nike initially said it could take till October to get these shipped out. But nonetheless, they're here. I have the box in hand, and let's crack it open and take a look at how the shoes look. So this was my first look at it. Let me know what you guys think. First glance of these Nike Air Force 1 lows by you, or in this case by me, yours truly. And yeah, this was my first look at them. I wanted to kind of feel out the materials as you're seeing here, and I can tell you guys right now that I'm very happy with the materials that I selected for this shoe. It was definitely a good move to go with the smooth leather on the overlays and the tumble leather on the side panel and toe box. I think it was a great mix of materials, gave it great structure, and that red on the tongue gave it a nice pop of color. And as you can see here, it says Anniversary Edition, which I didn't know it was gonna say that. It says Anniversary Edition in gold, so that was really cool. Here's a look at the outsole. And yeah, as you probably noticed too, this shoe came with this little like gold keychain thing. It's like a gold brush. I don't really know why, but that's a nice little added touch. You know, put that on, or use it how you will. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this, how this shoe turned out. I'm very happy with how it turned out. The sail with this pure platinum color goes really well. You know, it makes it look really clean and simple. And yeah, here's some close-up shots. Let me know again, like I said, how you guys feel on these. And let's not waste any more time, and let's take a look at how these look on feet. Alright, here's a look at the shoes on feet. It's been a while since I did something like this, so I hope it's a good look for you guys. But yeah, like I said, I liked how these turned out. It looks really great on feet, something you can wear every day. And that red on the tongue is a very nice contrast, little pop of color. So yeah, let me know how you guys think this turned out. I didn't, like I said earlier, I didn't go super wild with the colors, but you can definitely go all out, with all the different selections, the options, the materials, all of that. Make it your own, and only for like 140, 150 bucks, I highly recommend it. But yeah, and for those who are curious for sizing for Air Force One lows, I would definitely recommend going down half a size. In my original video, I said go true to size, but in these I got a size 11, and in Nikes I usually wear a size 11 and a half, so definitely go down half a size. But that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this very quick and informative. Thank you so much for sticking around. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But I'll see you guys later. Peace.